Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Weekend Soft-Roading channel. Today we're going to be talking about a DIY faucet that attaches to this water jug. It's very helpful actually. Instead of tilting that water jug to the side and pouring out water, you just click a button and water comes pouring out. So for this thing to work, I just attached the faucet with plastic weld on the cap itself. And this plastic weld is the JB plastic weld, and the cool thing about that is it's actually drinking water safe, so it's perfect for this DIY, so you won't contaminate your water or anything like that. But this faucet itself is from Amazon. I'll link it down below, and you can see that it's actually pretty cool because you could actually change how much water comes out by flicking this or rotating this item. So right now we could do 150, and then you could turn it to 250, 350, 500, and 1,000 milliliters. Or you could just dispense whatever amount you need. But it's pretty easy, so as soon as you determine how many milliliters you want, all you gotta do is just click this button, and then this thing will light up if you could see it, and then click it again, and water will start dispensing. It's pretty simple mod. Very easy. You just need this faucet, and then you just need the JB weld plastic weld, and then the cap that comes with this jug. This is a Reliance jug. I'll also link this down in the description below, but very easy mod. Anyone can do it, and it's been very helpful in terms of just getting water out of this jug. Let me know what your thoughts are. I'll talk to you soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye.